So how does the returns policy contribute to Decathlon's development? Well, the returns policy contributes in two factors. Number one, it breeds a good relationship with customers and a great deal of trust. Number two, it allows Decathlon to keep a close eye on the products and product development. This ultimately breeds. Here's 3 suggestions to improve the policy. 1. Start operating within the guidelines and offer training to staff and managers to do so. Recommendation number 2. Change the return period from 1 year to 3 months. This is still fair and more viable for the business. Recommendation number 3. Donate returned items that will turn into waste to charity. This way, the business is more sustainable. Through the second half of this video, we will focus on an informal policy. The informal policy is Decathlon's 15-minute PDI cycle. So what does PDI stand for? PDI stands for Post-Dispatch Inspection. Decathlon managers expect this to be done on all bikes within 15 minutes, not formally. SciTech is the UK's leading training and health and safety cycling leader. They recommend that the checklist on the left is used when doing all PDIs on bikes. The following 2 pictures display Decathlon's workstation. This is where all PDIs take place. Within the station is a bike workstand, bike pump, tools, along with other specialist equipment. Why does this informal policy exist? Well, effectively, the PDI is in place to make sure that all bikes are safe to ride and stock correctly. Secondly, Decathlon expects it to be done within 15 minutes, to be quick. SciTech actually. Is this informal policy helpful to managers, and how well does it serve its purpose? Well, the informal policy is helpful for managers for the following reasons. It ensures that cycle mechanics are working productively, and it ensures customers can take the bikes from the store on the day of buying. So why is the policy unhelpful for managers? Well, the leading UK cycle health and safety organisation and training leader, SciTech, recommend that all PDIs take 1 hour and are done via the PDI checklist. Decathlon aims for 15 minutes as this is more productive. The informal policy serves its purpose for the following reasons. Decathlon set 15-minute PDIs to be efficient for both employees and customers. This is 4 times quicker than competitors, meaning it does achieve its aim. 15 minutes to PDI a bike. When the UK leading specialist recommends 1 hour, this is a very short amount of time, usually meaning corners are cut by mechanics. This causes an inconsistency in the quality of products being dispatched by Decathlon. So how well does this informal policy fit the cultures and purpose of Decathlon as an organisation? 15-minute PDIs do fit the cultures and purpose of the organisation. 15-minute PDIs mean many bikes built through the day, making sport accessible for all. The policy also fails to fit the purpose and cultures of the organisation. Decathlon state that staff relentlessly strive to improve and make things better around them. Staff want to change the policy. Issues caused by the policy. 1. 15 minutes is too short. 2. Employees are not happy with the policy. And 3. SciTech recommend an hour and don't approve of 15 minutes. Relevant stakeholders who are aware of the policy is staff, managers and customers. Their acceptance varies. Informal policy pros. 15-minute PDIs allow Decathlon to sell a lot of bikes. PDI cons, not safe bikes. My first key recommendation because of this problem would be to change 15 minutes to 30 minutes. This will breed for more consistency and safer bikes. Recommendation number 2. Change the PDI time on different days. Weekends, for example, will require less time for PDIs.
Created using Powtoon.